didn't like that they did that.
Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. I said I'm sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm sipping on my lean and I'm sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. I said I'm sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm sipping on my lean and I'm sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. I said I'm sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm sipping on my lean.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today, we got TrickWonders in the house on his R1, his sexy little machine here. Anyways, we're going to try to head up to Idyllwild, see if we can make it up there. It's a little warm out. I think it's like 90-some degrees out, and we want to go cool down. But we're going to try to go up there. There's a pilot car. Hopefully, we can get up there. I don't know the schedule. I tried looking online, and if we don't make it up there, we'll see what we do. First off, as we get into this, I want to give a big shout out to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thank you for sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, you're coming across the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We do all kinds of shit on this channel, from moto vlogs, bike videos, non-bike videos. Yeah, I think I've done this before. You know the drill. Anyways, hit the subscribe button, and let's go. I definitely got to give a big shout out to my boy Trick. He came all the way out here. It's about like an hour and a half just to go ride it with me, which is pretty dope. We do a lot of gaming. We play a lot of Ark together, so we pretty much talk almost every day on the computer, just playing video games. So it's cool to come out, see him come out here, and we can go for a little rip. Maybe we'll grab some lunch up there. I just know it's gonna be so much cooler, and the roads are amazing to go up there. So I am looking forward to it. This is it. That's what I'm saying. We gotta wait. So a car will come down, and they'll turn around and then go up, and we follow it. Perfect time for an Instagram photo.
You've been up here since they were working on this. So I came up a while ago. There's still a lot of dirt patches.
All right.
Pick up speed to snow. We're probably going to drop down again.
All right. Thanks for the advice. All right, guys. So this guy came up here. We saw him come up front, so we're like, fuck it. Let's follow him to the front. He must know what he's doing. And so we follow him up here, and then the cop over there comes over, and he's like, what are you guys doing? You guys need to be waiting in the back like everybody else. So he had mentioned that last time he came, they told him just come to the front. But the cop was like, no, you guys have to wait. So he's just kind of like, next time you guys need to wait. Anyways, this is what we've been waiting for. As you can see, a bunch of cars coming down. And the pilot car will turn around, and we'll follow him up. But he was mentioning that he's putting it up since they opened it up, which I haven't, and said there's still dirt patches and shit, so we still got to be careful, which pretty cool, him watching out and shit. I can't wait to get up there, man. It's much cooler up there. Well, I haven't been up here in a minute, so this would be cool. See how this works out. Hopefully I'm recording, because I turned it off, and damn, they were ready to go right away. Yeah, looks like we're good. Looks like we're recording. Man, that feels good. Even this little bit of 2 mile an hour fucking little roll here feels good getting the wind. So to give you guys a little background information, what's going on and why there's a pilot car here. As you guys know, we had some really bad fires, and all these mountains were on fire. Like, I don't know. Once we get up, you'll be able to tell. But basically, all these mountains were on fire really bad. And then last year, we had really bad rains. I mean, I've never seen it rain so much out here in Southern California, and it rained really bad. And so what ended up happening is because of the fires, the roads and with the rain just completely collapsed. And so this was actually closed for a long time. And then finally, just more recently, in the summer, they actually opened up pilot cars, but it was only on the weekends. And then now it's 24-hour pilot cars to go up and down, which is cool. And I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that Idyllwild, the little city, they were getting hit really, really hard economically because no one was going up there. There was nobody going up there. I heard of restaurants closing and shit like that. So that town was getting hit pretty hard. And I think they haven't said it, but I'd imagine that that's part of the reason why they have this finally opened up like this. So anyways, we're going to see what it's like. Hopefully we can see how the road is and, you know, any improvements or where shit is. And, yeah, anyways, let's go. Huh, that's interesting. Yeah, I don't know if you heard what that lady was saying. She mentioned that they thought that they were just going to have to fix the big potholes that, you know, basically big chunks of the road that have fallen down. But then they ended up finding like 240 some sections of the road that were really bad that needed to be repaired as well. So I'm assuming this road has been here for a very long time. All right, guys. Well, yeah, lunch was okay. That was expensive as fuck. I think it was like $20 for a bowl of pasta, some chicken Alfredo. Yeah, I could make that at home. Some home boiled. I mean, it wasn't horrible, but $20, that shit was, I don't know if that was worth it. So, I was thinking more like 13. Maybe $13.50. Because they could have at least put sun-dried tomatoes in it. Like, to give that little extra zest or something. But, I don't know. And the music, I'm not going to lie, that was horrible. The guy can't sing. The dude can't play the fucking thing. He was like, I was like, this is not good. I don't know if you liked it. I didn't think they were very good. There's definitely way less cars this way, which is nice. And this actually, if you guys come to SCMM, if you want to go through Idyllwild, this road will actually take you up to Palm Springs. And where we want to make a right, you would normally make a left. So I've never gone right, and I've never gone down that road. So we're going to see how this road... It is absolutely beautiful out here, man. Riding out here is awesome. I just wish it was easier at this point. It will be soon, hopefully. Hopefully we'll get that road done, and we'll be able to do this more often. Alright, guys. That's today. There's not much left. I just want to say big shout out to my boy TrickWonders. Make sure to go check out his channel. Cool dude. Great day riding, just out enjoying fucking the weather, enjoying SoCal. Went out and grabbed some lunch, and mainly, I mean, this big shout out, he rode all the way out here just to go ride, and he still has to ride an hour or some change back home. So thank you, Trick, for coming out and riding. It was an awesome day, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, evening, or whatever time it is you guys are watching this. Peace.